Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday morning. I have responded to emails and offers, and then after packages, I need to clean more discs for the customer that drops off discs. So we do have packages to do. Let's get to it. Okay, we're going to start with an Avengers comic book. Okay, and we shipped this out the other day, a different one obviously, just last week, but it's Avengers issue 276, Masters of Evil Beware. It is published by Marvel. That will ship in a Gemini mailer. Let's tape it on down. The tape's doing better. I just had to get past that first round or two on it. I've got, I think, 5 discs to clean for that customer, so I'll do that after I get these packages done. This Avengers 276. Oh, let's see here. It sold for $2.45 plus shipping. And it was listed on November the 14th of 2018. And it will ship at the 8-ounce rate. And now we have a model kit to do up. 1932 Ford 5-window coupe, 2-in-1. This is a special edition made by Reseller. It is new and sealed. We're going to ship it in a priority mail shoebox. There we go. You get one sheet of bubble wrap, and let's go ahead and roll it up in this one first. So roll this up. Now with the other sheet, we'll cut it in half. We'll fold this one in a fourth and put it at the bottom. Then we put the model kit in. And this one we fold in half and then roll it and stick it like so. And that'll hold the model nice and secure. It's very well protected. Alright, this model kit sold for $20 plus shipping. And it has been listed since June the 8th of last year, 2020. And it will ship at the pound 15-ounce rate. And now we have another Yoda cup and topper with the promo card that would have been sitting on the counter. So we need to get an eBay branded 1086 box. Yep. Tapering out. Come on. There we go. I'm going to try to use some bubble wrap when my orders come in instead of the bubble wrap I buy. Now for Yoda, all what I do, and this is precautionary, is I just cut the flaps off 2 sides because he's pretty light. I think that's all I need to do, and it goes the 15-ounce rate. So let's get some bubble wrap here. I just need one piece. There we go. Alright, we'll take the cup and set it on down. Then we have the bubble wrap. And then put Yoda in here so that he blocks the cup from moving any. And then I slide the card in on the side. And then we'll take this bubble wrap and just fold it as the top to hold everything from moving. Here we go. The Yoda cup and topper sold for $8.75 plus shipping, and it's been listed since July the 16th of this year, 2021. So right at about 30 days, and I think I've sold 3 of them on this listing, and it will ship at the 15-ounce rate. Okay, I did get the disc cleaned, so that part's done. Now we have another order to do up, and this is a Batman Run 95. Let's see, here we go, 95 to 100, and it's the main covers, the what you call the A cover. 6, 7. Oh, great. I'm going to have to find the others. Let's see if I have them up here. I do, right here. The others, because I got a quantity of 5 listed, and that means the other ones are all packed away in boxes right now. So, I need to find those. Alright, there we go. This is the Joker War storyline, written by James Tynion IV. You get 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. And like I said, these are all the A covers, just the regular covers. Let me move some boxes here. This is what I'm putting the stuff in that I need to move to the new shop. And I'm trying to put the stuff that's not listed. I'm doing mostly the garage stuff right now. These are going to ship in a priority mail legal flat rate envelope. Someone write the do not bend on here. And I put a fragile sticker on the back of them. There we go. Let's get a tie back envelope for those. And these I list them as very fine, so they're in near mint or better condition. I just put the very fine just to protect myself. You know, set expectations a little bit low and then over deliver. We are using a Gemini mailer. Set these here, tape it into place. And like I said, I have a quantity of 5 listed, so if I sell another one, it's going to take me a while to find it, because I don't know where they are. Now the Gemini mailer will slide right into this legal flat rate envelope. Because I got to the point where I was bagging and boarding when they came in, and then just taking the box and putting it in the back in the garage. And I wasn't labeling them, unfortunately. I think I got them labeled like 2020. you know, 2021, but that might be it. This set of Batman, the 6 comic books, 95 to 100, sold for $28.75 plus shipping. It's been listed since October the 16th of last year, 2020, and we do not have to weigh it because it's in a legal flat rate envelope and we're nowhere near the weight limit. Okay, now we've sold a video game, PlayStation 2 NCAA 2008 football. It is complete with instructions, and we will ship this in an 864 box. I'm trying to call around on more places to move to. It's getting very difficult. I need half a sheet of bubble wrap. As you can tell, those jerseys are all gone. It's normally right here. I packed those up this morning. Alright, this PlayStation 2 game sold for $9.85 with free first-class shipping. It's been listed since December 16th of last year, 2020, and it'll ship at the 8-ounce rate. And now we have these high-heel Stuart Weitzman shoes. As you can see on this right heel, it does have some scuff marks. I took a picture and disclosed that. And they are these peep toe, I think is what you call those. So we are going to need 2 sheets of bubble wrap. Go ahead and lay 1 shoe down. Yeah, I did that wrong. We'll do it like that. I do not want the shoes to be able to rub each other and make any more scuff marks or anything. So let's get these feet down. And then I have an eBay branded 12-10-8 box I had taped up already. I think I brought in... Nope. I need to bring in. I gotta put quite a bit more of the bubble wrap I get in my orders in a box. There we go. Let's use this one for the bottom. Slide right in there. And then we'll just roll some of this up. Oh, that's a really long piece to put in here. Alright, these high heel shoes sold for $40 and a penny plus shipping, and they have been listed since May the 5th of 2019, and these will ship at the 2-pound rate. Alright, now we've sold this model kit, Reveal Vincent Black Shadow motorcycle, 1/12 scale, but as you can see, this box is in very bad shape. I did pull the contents out, and it is complete. We're going to take a, well, we won't take a sheet of that. We'll take the bubble wrap that comes in my orders. So I got that much. Not even that much. We're going to ship it in a priority mail 1095 box. Fits right in there. I think that's too much. Oh, I can rip it in half though. Put that on top. There we go. No movement. This sold to a 12% best offer I sent out today. And it sold for $51.70 plus shipping. And it has been listed since July the 22nd of this year, 2021. And will ship at a pound 15 ounce rate. Okay, now we have a DVD set. And it's one of the sets that I bought out Saturday yard selling and listed Saturday afternoon. So this is the second DVD set to sell from that yard sale. Alright, let's get one sheet of bubble wrap. And we're looking for the Untouchables. Oh, right there. Okay, so we have the Untouchables, Season 1, Volume 1 and 2, and then Season 2, Volume 1 and 2. This is not the complete series, just the Season 1 and 2. Wipe the top off a little bit. I put in the deal, the description and everything, that the cases were very dirty and needed a good cleaning. But we'll wipe them off as well. So just Season 1 and 2, not the entire series. That other one that we sold, the Father Doyle Mysteries, we had the complete series for that one. Let's see here. Be a bit much. I think when we push it down, it'll hold it nice and tight. Yes. Alright. So for the Untouchables DVD sets, they sold for $17.38 with free medium mail shipping. And like I said, it only took 2 days. I did send a 12% best offer on it today. But I listed these on August the 14th of this year, 2020, and they will ship at the 2-pound rate. Okay, now we have a hat to sell, or to ship out. I guess we already sold the hat. We'll ship it in an 864 box. And let's see, this is in location 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 right here. It is a black hat. It still has a, this right here probably, yep. Texas State Troopers Association. The black hat with that ribbon or whatever you want to call it. It's in good shape. The bill's still flat. So we just put it in here, fold that over, and that's all there is to it. This is obviously a used hat, and I write my descriptions up pretty terribly. I make it sound quite bad. This hat sold for $15 plus shipping, and it's been listed since March the 29th of 2018, and it will ship at the 5-ounce rate, or 8-ounce rate, sorry. Okay, we do have a couple of comic book orders now. Superman. There we go. And now Tails. Okay, my last one. This section. Alright. So we got both of them. We're going to start with Tales of G.I. Joe, issue number 2, published by Marvel. And this is just a reprint of the actual issue number 2. We're going to ship it in a Gemini mailer. Tape it on down. been a somewhat slower afternoon, but I have been able to get more stuff packed up for the move, and I listed, I don't know, maybe half of that, well, I think I listed everything, almost all the Matt Mason space things that I bought at that estate sale. But I realized when I got it back here, I had another box of that Matt Mason accessories. And so I photoed all that stuff and I listed the estate sale part, but not the other accessories yet. This Tales of the G.I. Joe #2 sold for $1.75 plus shipping. And it's been listed since December the 12th of 2017. And it will ship at the 8-ounce rate. Put GI on here. Our next item is a Superman comic book, Superman issue 122, published by DC. That will also ship in a Gemini mailer. And I do have an appointment to go look at a place on Wednesday, so I'm going to have to do a makeup video, you know, for Wednesday because I'll be out of town. Trying to line up a couple other places I can take a look at, but I don't know if I'll be able to get them scheduled in time or not. Very difficult. I'm surprised how many of these people, the realtors and stuff, don't call you back. You know, you have to keep on them. Well, we'll see. Progress is being made. Superman 122 sold for $1.45 plus shipping. It's been listed since May the 13th of last year, 2020, and it will also ship at the 8-ounce rate. Alright, that is going to do it for me today. Like I said, the sales were fairly slow today, but I did get more packed up for the move, and this major Matt Mason stuff, I got all of it photoed, and I listed the part that I bought at the estate sale on Saturday. I still have the accessories I already had that I'll list tomorrow. So I'm going to head on out. I hope you all have a good night, and we'll see you again tomorrow for more packages. Bye-bye.